In this video, we will teach you everything you need to know about mastering the concrete slump test. The slump test is a crucial step in ensuring the quality and workability of concrete in construction projects. From the equipment needed to the step-by-step process, we will guide you through each stage of performing a successful slump test. By understanding and mastering this test, you can guarantee that your concrete meets the necessary standards for your project. Watch now to become a pro at the concrete slump test. Video script. Welcome to today's video on mastering the concrete slump test. The concrete slump test is a simple yet crucial test used to measure the workability of freshly mixed concrete. To perform the test, start by filling the slump cone in 3 equal layers, compacting each layer with a rod. After filling the cone, lift it vertically and allow the concrete to settle. Measure the difference between the original height of the cone and the settled height to determine the slump. A higher slump indicates a more workable mix, while a lower slump indicates a stiff slump. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to Design Consulting Services Hyderabad.